Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Welcome to the next big idea. An incredible journey of innovation, passion, and game-changing ideas. Let's see what this team brings to the table.
Hello and a very warm good morning to one and all. I want to ask one question that in India, how many people are into investments? Like through a data of 2023, we got to know that only 4% of the total population of our country is actively participating into stocks, into stock market. Whereas if we see USA, the 60% of the total population or more than the 60% of total population are actively participating into investments. So why there is so much of gap? So we figured out that in our country, majority of the population belong to middle class background, right? And middle class लोगों के लिए थोड़े से पैसे भी लॉस कर जाना is like a bad dream. So they prefer banks for saving their money rather than investments. And we got to know that they think like investment requires time, जो उनके पास नहीं है. They think कि if we do investments, then like it's a gamble. Lots of people think that investment is gamble. So it's a myth. They think that investment is only for the rich people. जिसके पास बहुत सारा पैसा है, वो investment करते होंगे. It's not for us. The problem they face is for the analysis, the data and all. The major issue they feel is liquidity issue. Like if I want money right now, which I have parked in some investment platforms, मुझे वो आज नहीं मिल पाएगा. I have to wait for at least one day. But if I'm in need of that money, मुझे वो नहीं मिल पाएगा. There is a very less liquidity in market. So we want to improve that liquidity. So like figuring out these all things and clarifying the myths in the market, we have launched a platform called Invest Plus, which simplifies and make investment interesting, making the future today. So how we are doing it? We are a fintech firm. Our target audiences are retail investors and working class people. So what we provide is we try to provide them multiple options on a single platform. Also, we provide them high liquidity, which is a major issue for them. And all of this with single or we can say low annual maintenance charges. What customer pain points we found are lack of awareness. In our country, people are very less aware about investments and all. So because of that, they feel that it's gambling. Also, people who are aware of investments, but they don't have time. They lack with time. Okay. So, and the people who is having time, their expenses for the advisors, for investment advisors increases. So this is the issue. And we provide the liquidity as well. What customer persona for us, that novice investors who are very new to the market, the investment market, the cautious individuals, जो कि जिनको losses से बहुत डर लगता है, like if my money will like loss हो जाएगा तो फिर ऐसा, जो busy professionals है जिनके पास time नहीं है, for them we are here. Tech savvy users who are used to like digital payments and all. Last is retail investors जो कि बहुत बड़े amount में invest नहीं करते हैं, but yeah, 5,000, 10,000, 15,000 का investment करेंगे. What we are doing here. So as a platform, we are trying to simplify the documentation because in our country, people fear of documentation works. So we are trying to simplify the documentation works. No additional fees will be taken because बाकी जो platforms हैं, they charge the additional charges. So we are diversifying the investment channels because as I mentioned before also, we are providing multiple channels on single platform like cryptocurrency, mutual funds, sovereign gold bonds, etc. So we are providing all this option on single platform. 24/7 market access we are trying to provide to the customers to improve the liquidity. We are giving them the global exposure as platform. We allow our clients to park their money into international markets as well. So, and easy investment tracking for them. Our value proposition, it's nothing but we are providing one solution, right? So with a single annual maintenance charge. So these are the key points which we are providing 24/7 market access, fractional investment, global reach, risk management. Now, I'll like to elaborate this one, risk management. We are, मतलब हम अपने clients को stop loss का feature provide करते हैं, right? So, right now, many platforms are providing this feature only for trading, which is a short-term investment. But we are providing this for long-term investments, right? There, the people can like set their loss appetite and manage the risk over there. We allow them to extensive outcomes, get extensive outcomes and maximum automation. So what impact are we creating in the market? As I mentioned, there is very less participation in our country, right? So due to our platform, we will be raising the participation of people in our country into the investments and stock markets. Financial literacy, it's very obvious, like if people will participate into investments and all, they'll get more literacy about finance. Last is wealth accumulation. If I'm investing, I'll get wealthy.
So far, we have developed our prototype, and we have basically developed the skeleton of it on our website, and we are doing business in our college. We are incubated in our college, that's Ruby, and there we are gathering these all things. हमारे जो कस्टमर जो है वो हमारे कॉलेज के टीचर्स और स्टूडेंट्स हैं. करंटली हम लोग 80,000 का पोर्टफोलियो भी मैनेज कर रहे हैं, और इसके साथ अभी हम लोग थर्ड पार्टी स्वास्तिक है हमारा, जिसके साथ हम लोग कोलैब करके डीमेट अकाउंट वगैरह फ्री में ओपन कर रहे हैं. एंड इसके साथ अभी हम लोग सिक्योरिटी मेजर्स पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं कि ताकि कोई हमारा ब्रीच ना हो, वहाँ पे पेमेंट के वक्त कोई ब्रीचेस वगैरह ना आए, या फिर कोई फिशिंग अटैक्स वगैरह ना हो पाए. वी आर वर्किंग अपॉन दैट, एंड वी आर इन राइट नाउ. हमारा टेक्नोलॉजी रेडीनेस लेवल 4 to 6 के बीच में भी हम लोग बोलेंगे. फर्स्ट 1 to 3 हम लोग कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं. अभी हम लोग बाकी के आईपी और इनोवेशन पे अभी काम कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि सॉफ्टवेयर है हमारा ऐप, अभी हम लोग अपने बिल्ड करने के फेज पे हैं. पेटेंट्स फाइल करने बाकी हैं. ट्रेडमार्क्स पे भी हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं, और एआई ड्रिवन पर्सनलाइजेशन, मैं इस पे आना चाहूंगा, इसको एलेबोरेट करूंगा. हम लोग अपने सर 15 पैरामीटर्स हमने खुद से बनाए हैं, जिसको हमने प्रीवियस डेटा के हिसाब से मशीन लर्निंग हम लोग वहाँ पे कर रहे हैं. अपनी जो हमारा मशीन है उसको हम लोग ट्रेन कर रहे हैं. प्रीवियस डेटा जो भी है, कोई स्टॉक है तो उसको हम लोग ट्रेन कर रहे हैं. हमने 15 पैरामीटर्स में से अगर वो 12 पैरामीटर्स पे ग्रीन फ्लैग आ रहा है तो वी कैन इन्वेस्ट देयर, और वो हम लोग को हेल्प करता है फोरकास्ट करने में भी, स्टॉक को प्रेडिक्ट करने में, जैसे कि एचयूएल इंडिकेटर्स वगैरह है. तो सिमिलरली उसी टाइप का है हमारा. उसके बाद हम लोग ब्लॉकचेन इंटीग्रेट इसमें करने वाले हैं, ताकि हम लोग इसको ट्रेस कर पाए. अभी गवर्नमेंट ने ई मुद्रा करके, मतलब ई रुपए करके भी एक ब्लॉकचेन डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड प्लेटफॉर्म गवर्नमेंट का है, तो हम लोग उसको इसमें इंटीग्रेट करना चाहते हैं आगे. सो अभी हमारे पास कॉम्पिटिटर्स हैं हमारे, ये सारे ये डायरेक्ट कॉम्पिटिटर्स हैं, जैसे कि ईटी मनी, ग्रो, बाइनेंस, जीरोधा, आईएनडी मनी, ये सब भी वही काम कर रहे हैं जो कि हम लोग कर रहे हैं. तो ये हमारे डायरेक्ट कॉम्पिटिटर्स हैं. एंड जैसे कि ग्रो और जीरोधा को आप देख रहे हैं, तो ये ना डिस्काउंट ब्रोकर्स हैं. But what we are saying ourselves as a service brokers. So, and our indirect competitors are individual traders, advisors जो कि advices देते हैं, and finfluencers. So these are the analysis what we have done, what we are providing, what they are providing. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, जैसे कि हमने कुछ फीचर्स अपने और पैरामीटर्स बनाए हैं जो कि हम लोग प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, या तो वो लोग प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, और क्या हम लोग प्रोवाइड नहीं कर पा रहे हैं वो प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं.
Okay, so this is our business canvas. Here we can see our key partners. Like it is Kite Connect. From there, we have taken the APIs. We are trying to connect with them to get the APIs for our platform. Ruby, which is our incubator, and NSE, from where we are getting the real-time data for our platform. Key suppliers for us will be Swastik, which is a sub-broker platform. From like this platform is helping us to create Demat account for our clients on our platform. Similarly, all the key partners are our key suppliers as well. Next, we can see the key activities. Like the revenue stream we have is a subscription model. We get revenue from the subscription model, which is 300 rupees per annum for now. And like we charge for portfolio managing as well. It is of 30-70 ratio. Key resources will say API and legal support. We need APIs for many of the facilities on our platform, like real-time data and all. So the resource we'll be using is APIs, and legal support we need because we are into the finance sector, and it is lots of legalities are there. Distribution channel will be finance advisors, online platform, and social media. Next, I'll go to the value proposition. We are a comprehensive and integrated platform. Okay, so we provide multiple options on a single platform. We make investments easy for our customers with like AI driven features, and the customer problems what we are solving is the complexity of the investment, trading us ko increase karna, and also liquidity ko improve karna. What services we are offering? We are providing the free demat account, and first 3 transactions will be free for them. After that, we'll be charging the subscription charge for them, which is the annual maintenance charge. Customers need we are satisfying is affordable investment ho jayega, and last will be liquidity. So next we'll reach to the customer relationship. So how we are connecting to our customers? We are creating a community. There we can connect to our clients, our customers, and our website, which we have created for our platform. There we are connecting our customers. Online platforms like other online platforms where we might be creating some seminars and all. They will be connecting to our clients, and of course social media. Next we'll reach to the customer segments. Okay, so customer segment will say people of age group 18 to 40, but I'll add something working class people here, because in 18 to 40 many will be non-working as well. So working class people and the retail investors are our customer segments. There we we segmentize them in this manner, and we target them. So okay, now let's move to the cost structure. For us, cost structure will be mainly for the application and the website, because lots of real-time data we require. For that, the cost will be much. And also, the major cost is for the registration, because we are from finance sector and we need registration into SEBI. So the cost is maximum cost is for registrations only. Next, we are having the revenue streams. Revenue, as I said, we are getting from the subscription. And for now, the customers are paying us through using API, which is a safer mode for now, I think so.
Mosam Singh, she is the co-founder and she is also the executive leader. I'm Jigyasu Kesari and I'm the tech leader. Similarly, our sir, he is our mentor at Ruby. And Sudeep, he takes all the front-end things. Anup manages the marketing, and Sudhir, he is our key partner also. He provides us all the facilities related to the SEBI and all the legal support, because he is a registered stockbroker.
Okay. Thank you so much. Nice. On presentation part, I will say it is nice. But this is a business model. This is not something called innovative business model. There is no innovation in it. That is the complete negative point you have. What you are basically doing, you are selling me internet in the age of Geo. Are you selling it cheaper than Geo? Think about it. There is lot of investment. Indians have grown too much. We are in 2024. That's what I'm trying to say. Now there is no more fascination for foreign world and all those things. Everything is on the click of a button. People are doing investment. What you are doing is basically you are doing the same stuff on a different scale. And I'll say rather than on a very low scale. So the first thing what you will face is the trust factor. Why would I trust you with couple of lakhs on you guys? When there are so many different national and international competitors are already there in the field, and you are not doing anything new. You are not doing anything which is innovative. So this is where you lack. That's my personal opinion into that. Thank you so much from my side. Rest of.
Okay, so I have one point here. Yeah, I got your point. It's for the retail investor that you are planning, right? But why you are restricting, or why it's the, I mean, while pitching, it's the age group is only between 18 to 40. Why not a retired person, again from the middle class background, which is that you have pitched, right? That was in your presentation. Why can't he invest? Why the pitch is like 18 to 40?
Ma'am,
I
because
mean, yeah, go ahead.
इन्वेस्टमेंट, क्योंकि जैसे जैसे हमारा एज बढ़ता है ना, तो हमारे ऊपर बहुत सारे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज बढ़ते जाते हैं.
Okay.
तो जैसे कि 45 के ऊपर जब उम्र जाता है, तो हम सोचते हैं कि पहले बहुत सारे खर्चे हैं, तो हम पहले उसको मैनेज करें अदर देन इन्वेस्टिंग.
No, I believe that's not a right thought. Because आपकी जब एज बढ़ेगी, आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ेगी, तो आपको सोर्स ऑफ इनकम भी तो रिक्वायर्ड रहेगा, right? So I think you need, I mean, see, now you're competing with the Zerodha and Grow. These are the unicorns
Yes.
of India, right? So yes, rightly said by sir, you should have a very strong go-to-market strategy. You should be very clear, and you should not pitch, this is the only age group, or this are the set of people for whom the platform is for, right? And I think you need to do a lot of market research, because retail investor is really good, but how actually this investment industry works. So you need to do the study how things, once a company is on NSE, and yeah, I have not seen BSC.
Yes.
In your chart. Why not BSC? Why it's only NSE? I mean, there's just a feedback. If if you're providing services for NSE, there are a lot of retail investor. If you go to Bombay, you go to Gujarat, you go to those side of area, they are more interested to invest companies or the part of BSE, not the NSE, right? So you are restricting your venture um, by stating this set of people will only use my services, right? So you need to think in that way. But yeah, it could be a great venture. I mean, yeah, it's all the best. Thank you.
So in your presentation, you mentioned that you are using AI and blockchain. You will be implementing blockchain, right? So what exactly are you using AI and blockchain for?
सर और AI मतलब हम लोग डेटा को फोरकास्ट करने के लिए, प्रेडिक्ट करने के लिए हम लोग AI को यूज करने वाले हैं.
So you will also be providing financial advisory?
Yes, sir.
Advisory?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because yes, sir, we will be providing the financial advisory too, and for that we need to get registered.
I think you need to rework your revenue because you are trying to add too many features and you have already decided कि आपका जो key selling point है वो है कि low AMC है आपकी, right? You have already fixed कि 300 rupees per annum के हिसाब से हम charge करेंगे to incentivize customers. आप पहले 3 transaction जो है free दोगे, उसके बाद फिर आप low AMC लोगे. So you have already decided कि इतने में आप business करोगे, but आपका जो cost आपको bear करना पड़ेगा, that you need to rework. Because accordingly आपका फिर ये venture जो है वो हो सकता है profitable भी न रहे. ठीक है? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And now it's time for judges' opinion about the pitch. So, it was a good one.